Okay, so what do we got today, Karen?
Now we're gonna make snacks because everybody wants to know what can I snack on, and this snack is jalapeno cheddar chips.
I love chips and salty chips.
These are literally 2 ingredients. It's Monterey Jack cheese and jalapeno, and it's crispy.
Yep, and it has cheese. And why do I like cheese?
Because you're from
Wisconsin.
The cheesehead capital of the world.
Kerrygold cheese.
This isn't Kerrygold cheese.
It's not?
No, but you can use Kerrygold cheese. You can use any cheese. I use Monterey Jack.
Okay.
But, obviously go for organic cheese if you can. But it's crispy, it's salty, it's got a little spice in there.
Well, what's this thing you put inside it?
A little jalapeno.
That's going to be pretty hot.
Try it out.
Okay. Probably the camera is going to pick up a lot of crunching with my mic.
Okay. How's the chip?
It's good.
Okay.
I could eat these a lot.
Okay, good.
Because it's hard to find a substitute for chips.
And literally one is just a tiny little bit of cheese. And a thin slice of jalapeno. Woo!
Has a kick.
I had a little kick
Chip
to
with
it.
a kick. Well, let's show them how to make it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, so to get the recipe,
Click the link below. Hey, Charlie. Click the link below. Below.
check it out.